Get ready. Okay, we're 49 feet 2 inches out from the garage. We're looking at the 4-inch clay exterior main where it drops into the cul-de-sac main sewer. We're going to pull back a few inches so you can see the connection. Right here, this was full of roots there a minute ago. It's all clean. We're going to pull it backwards, rest the way out. Okay, rest of this 4-inch sewer is clay. It looks like it's in pretty good shape. We're about ready to exit out the exterior clean out in front of the garage. And we'll show you where we're at. So this part of the exterior sewer looks like to be in good shape.